Hello everyone, this is Matt Miller at Burtness Motors here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. I want to give you a quick walk around on the 2015 Dodge Durango we have here on the lot. This one is got a few miles, about 126,000 miles. Running boards. Leather seating inside. Sunroof. Beats audio. Extra nice speakers, stereo system. The Durango, plenty of room. Captain's chairs in the second row. Third row seating. Again, leather, very clean. Beautiful vehicle. It's a limited, really nice. Plenty of room for cargo or more passengers, as we know. Either way, you got plenty of room back here. This one also has, of course, power locks, remote start, memory seating, navigation in the radio, paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Really a nice vehicle. If you're in the market for a third row nice vehicle at a reasonable price, this is a good one for you. Please give us our dealership a call if you like, 262-473-8080, or you can work online at driveburtness.com with our online sales staff. Thank you, everyone.